Hi, I'm Akshay Khere,
Hi, I'm Dr. Neha Anand.
and we are from Pune. So we came here in Dehradun because of a job. And यहाँ पे आने के बाद हम रहने के लिए जब जगह देख रहे थे तो हमने काफ़ी जगह शॉर्टलिस्ट करी। मतलब हम गूगल पे पहले आने से पहले देख रहे थे कहाँ रुकना है,
हमने
कहाँ
मैप्स
क्या
पे भी
करना है।
काफी सर्च किया.
Right.
Close to the airport, close to railway station on the other end, actually on Haridwar Road at the highway, and close to my workplace. My workplace is only 15 minutes drive from here. So all that seemed convenient on the map and on Google. But जब हम actually आए and we checked, actually वही था जो कि we had found online as well. So it was true to the.
Right. In fact, हम connectivity हमारा main concern था. एक तो connectivity हमें चाहिए था, दूसरा सेफ एंड सिक्योर स्पेस चाहिए था, और तीसरा ओपन चाहिए था. बाकी अंदर जैसे से आप देहरादून में मतलब जाते हैं बहुत कंजेस्टेड है. यहाँ पे काफी ओपन था एंड प्लस
काफी ग्रीन है. ऑल द ग्रीन पैचेस एंड ट्रीज एंड एनवायरमेंटली इट्स बीन मेंटेन्ड वेरी वेल. इन फैक्ट बहुत ध्यान दिया जाता है in maintenance of that. So it's quite refreshing.
लच्छी वाला भी पास में ही है. It's a nature park that is close by. So that really helps in keeping the temperatures down
in the summer. Yeah.
So in fact देहरादून में जो टेम्परेचर चलता है उससे 2-3 डिग्री यहाँ पे कम ही होता है टेम्परेचर. And apart from that,
security wise it's been the best thing with the MyGate app, and all the guards, they are very quick to respond, and मतलब उनकी नजर से कुछ बचता नहीं है. They are always very efficient. Even the CCTV network is very good. They pick up on things very quickly.
They are very particular.
Even if it's a parking situation or any security issue, nobody is let in without your permission. They are effective in maintaining that. उसके अलावा
there is no nuisance here, and they are very active and agile. जब जहाँ पे उनको मिलता है तो उनको क्वेश्चन वगैरह करते हैं वो. आप आने के लिए आपका गेट पास होना चाहिए, जाने के लिए वो चेक करके आते हैं. सिक्योरिटी इज टॉप नॉच.
Even maintenance staff is they're cordial, they're hands-on, they respond very quickly, and things are replaced very quickly. There's no fuss in the fact कि कुछ खराब हो गया फटाफट से बदल देते हैं उसको. It's very good.
हाँ, they're very cordial and they're very nice. Apart from that, sports के लिए जो अगर if you're a sports enthusiast, तो यहाँ पे they have lot of amenities for that. They have volleyball, they have basketball, they have football,
tennis.
They have tennis, badminton,
swimming.
Then swimming, you name it, and they have almost everything that is there. Even for my runs, earlier I used to go out, but then complex ही इतना बड़ा है, area ही इतना बड़ा है.
You don't need to get out of the campus at all.
I do my runs here in the complex itself.
Walking track भी अलग है, so you don't need to be on the middle of the road for the cars are coming and going. The walking track is separate. You can
apart from that, they have a skywalk as well, which connects all the buildings that are there, the towers, and it is very safe and very well lit at night. In fact, पूरा complex रात में बहुत अच्छे से lit होता है, and आप छोटे छोटे बच्चों को देख सकते हैं कि वो इधर उधर भाग रहे होते हैं.
Can keep an eye on them.
It's very safe here.
And the view is beautiful रात के time when it's lit. You can see Mussoorie on one side, Rishikesh on the other side. बीच में थानों की lights दिखती हैं.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You can see the sunrise from behind the mountains in the morning. So I think it's a little blissful haven, जो बहुत rare है आज के दिन में. And so for those of us who are spiritually inclined, there is a brand new temple built within the premises of Windlass River Valley, and that is a blessing. You don't need to go anywhere, and for us personally, we can see it from a balcony, so that's also spiritually been very good for us. We can visit it any time that we like, so that's also another plus point.
It's actually a blessing in disguise. You don't have to go anywhere.
Everything is within. There's a whole world within this. So anybody who's looking to buy something in Dehradun, we definitely recommend trying Windlass River Valley first before you go anywhere else.
100%.
We are loving our life here.
This is really worth it. Worth every penny you pay.
It's stress free completely.
That you get. It's complete peace of mind. 100% recommended.
Thank you.